as Rahul Gandhi is accused of pushing an MP in parliament, as well as a row on Ambedkar is going on in the national politics. Right now we can see an effigy by the BJP brought in the Dharamtalla area, and in response BJP members to burn his effigy in Kolkata, and the Congress and the TMC on the same time are protesting in various places of the country as well as in West Bengal, and TMC are protesting over the BJP's comment. Also Congress is doing so, and after that, while BJP is right now countering the thing in Kolkata, in the city of joy, in the heart of the city, as we can see the BJP protesters, the BJP workers holding Baba Saheb Ambedkar's placard, and also there is an effigy of Rahul Gandhi which will be burnt by the members of BJP, and it was written that Pappu, and also the Nara, the chant of that the Baba Saheb Ambedkar Zindabad, and also the BJP protesters are saying that Congress Baba Saheb Ambedkar ko leke ye jo rajniti hai wo band karo. And right now we can see in the heart of the city in Dharamtalla the effigy brought by the BJP protesters, and right now it will be burned as in the national politics the row over the Ambedkar is going on. And on the counter right now in Kolkata, the BJP is all set for the protest. A row over Baba Saheb Ambedkar is going on in parliament after the comment by the BJP, and after that we have seen that Congress and Trinamool Congress has already alleged BJP that they are down-tuning the role of Baba Saheb Ambedkar, and right now on protest, Bharatiya Janata Party, the BJP of Kolkata, is right now burning the effigy of Rahul Gandhi. And this is the image, as you can see behind that there is Baba Saheb Ambedkar's placard, and right now the effigy of Rahul Gandhi is being burnt by the BJP protesters. As we have seen that the BJP is saying that Congress is doing a bad politics by alleging BJP that they are down-tuning Baba Saheb Ambedkar. And right now the scene from Kolkata is Rahul Gandhi's effigy burnt by the BJP workers. With camera person Shyam Sundar Ghosh, Anirban Sinha Roy for India Today, Kolkata.